Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take one trade with our strategy and I'm going to explain you in detail about the setup so that you can apply the same while trading. So this is Euro US dollar chart as you can see here, and right now we are analyzing 1 minute candlestick chart. Our aim is to take a 5-minute expiry trade, but we are going to analyze over 1 minute chart only. So first of all, let's understand the chart, and as you can see, market here is moving in the upward direction and it is going to the resistance level. If we zoom it out, it looks like a ranging market on a bigger time frame. Let's switch to 5-minute chart to understand it clearly. As you can see, this is a clear ranging market. These are the range, this is the resistance, and this is the support range, and market is moving in between for the last I think for last 13 to 14 hours, and which makes this range even stronger. So what we are going to do here, I think, is that we will wait for the market to hit either of the range, and if we get rejection, we are going to place the trade. Right now, as you can see, market is moving towards the resistance zone, and this actually market is at the resistance zone. So first of all, I will draw the resistance level, and yes, this is the resistance level, and so this is the whole area of resistance, and if we get rejections from the upper level, then we can think of taking a trade, but for that we have to focus on different aspects as well. As you can see here, market is kind of very near to the previous top, which means that market can reverse from this level and can create a double top pattern, which you will see if market reverses from that very level. And I can see that there is weakness in the market, lots of rejections. Previously market was also rejected from the very level. So all in all, these things are giving us a sign that market can reverse again, because this is a strong level and market momentum is weak, which means that it will not be easy for the market to break this zone easily, and so we can take a reversal trade here once we have the confirmation. So right now what I need is a good candlestick confirmation here, and the other factor is the price action. This is kind of creating a double top pattern, which is confirming me in the from the perspective of price action that market can reverse from these levels, because market previously did reverses from the very levels, and as this is a ranging market, market will reverse from the resistance, will hit the support level, and after hitting the support level will reverse again and is going to hit the resistance. And that's, you can see, it happened in the past. Market reverses from the resistance, reverses from the support, hit the resistance zone, goes down, hit the resistance again, goes down, hit the resistance again, goes down, and again it is hitting the resistance zone. Now I'm not saying that this is the particular resistance which market is hitting, but market is kind of moving in between the levels, which is a good thing for us if we want to take a reversal trade in such scenarios, because the range is quite big and we are only taking a trade for 5 minutes, so we got plenty of time to take a reversal trade here. So this is the whole setup. Now let's wait for the confirmations, and once we have the complete setup, I'm going to take the trade. We'll explain you the setup in detail, so let's wait. So we have placed a trade here. We got a breakout and the price action also in our favor, and that's why I placed the trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you in detail why I took this trade here. So let's wait. So we have won this trade, and now let me explain you the whole setup. So first of all, you have to understand that I was focusing mainly on the trend of the market, which was in this case was ranging, because market on a smaller scale was ranging here on like if we look on this chart only, then this is an uptrend market which was forced to stay here by this resistance zone. Now when I zoomed out, I found out that there is this situation that market is actually moving from the resistance to the support and from the support to the resistance, which means that market was on the bigger scale, it was also ranging, which makes these level even stronger. So these levels are very strong, they can reverse the market easily, and when it comes to 4 to 5 minute trading, they can work for sure. So for me, this was a strong level and I wanted to take a reversal trade. I was not planning to take a breakout trade from here because I also see that there was resistance level. These are extreme level and we know that extreme levels can reverse the market. So in my mind, I was totally focused on taking a reversal trade from the upper level or a breakout trade if market break this recent support level, because this is a swing low, and if market break the swing low, then there will be a change in market structure, which I have explained so many times in my previous video. So for me, this is a good spot to take a reversal trade from the upper level or to take a breakout trade from this level, because market was actually creating double top patterns here. So this was about the whole market scenario. The second thing which I noticed is that market is getting constant rejection from this level, which means that if we get any confirmation near to this level, we can take the trade. I did get this confirmation, but I didn't place the trade. The reason is because this is recent support level and market closes after getting some rejection here. I could have placed a trade and it will be a winning trade, but I didn't place a trade because I thought if market was not able to break this support level and got rejected back again in the upper direction, then we can lose the trade, and that's why I didn't take the trade here. I waited for the market to break this level because we already got the rejection from the upper level, so which means that market is going to go down. I waited and we got this strong confirmation, strong bearish candle which break the level completely. It closes below a little bit of rejection, and that's why I placed a trade. I didn't wait it for the retracement here, because you can see this is the support level and market clearly broke this level. And as we know that this is a ranging market, in a ranging market you don't have to wait for the retracement, because when there is a range, like in this case this was consolidated area, and if there is a breakout, market needs to fall down smoothly, and that's why I took the trade. But it didn't happen which I planned it will. It reverses back again and now it is moving in the downward direction. So all in all, what I used in this trading setup is a breakout, a strong candlestick confirmation, the ranging market with a strong resistance level, and after that I take the trade instantly because I didn't have to wait for other confirmation. Everything was in our favor. The candlestick was suggesting that market should be falling down. The breakout was suggesting the same thing. This range, this consolidation was also suggesting that market should be falling down, and as this is a strong level, market needs to fall down to maintain its price action, which it is doing for the last 14 hours, and that's why I took the trade. And you can see market is now falling slowly, but it is falling because the market is falling slowly because of this higher low swing, and once market broke this level, it is going to fall strongly, which I was expecting, because if we didn't get any opportunity here, I must have waited for the market to break this level, and after the breakout I will take the trade without any reversal or retest here, because this is a range and market needs to fall down as soon as it breaks the level. Or you can use the trend line also here. As you can see here, this is also a trend breakout. It got retested here. You can see it got retested here, so you can use those stuff as well. I used in this trading setup, I used this particular recent support level which was broken here, and that's why I took the trade. And as it was in the as it was in accordance with the price action, we won the trade easily. And now as you can see, market is heading towards the support level here, and let's see if we got a breakout. I will take one more trade, otherwise we will end this trading session here and then we will take another trading session tomorrow. So right now, as you can see, I will increase the time. So right now we have the time, and we can expect some reversal from this level. The reason is simple, as this is a strong level and we got a range complete. This is a complete range of support level, and we can expect a reversal from this level, and I think we can take a trade here. But the reason I will only take a breakout trade here, because market shows a reversal sign from the upper level. Even if we get a confirmation from the for the reversal, I will not take the trade because it will be against the price action. I'll wait for the market to break it, and if market got rejected back from this level, then it is going to take at least 10 to 15 minutes to come back and break this level, and then we are not going to take the trade. But let's see, if market instantly break this level, we are going to take the trade. So let's wait for the next 3 to 4 minutes, and if we got the opportunity, we are going to take one more trade as well. So let's wait. So we got the breakout, and as we have discussed, we have taken the trade because now the price action is simply suggesting that market should be falling down. Market broke this recent support level, the swing low, and now the market structure have changed. Market also broke this trend line, and that's why I took this trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you one more time why I took this trade. So let's wait. I think today is my lucky day. We have won this trade by a very small margin, and I think we will take one more trade here because this is a good setup. So we have taken the third trade today. We have won two trades. The previous trade was, I can say, was a lucky trade because the setup which I was working failed completely. But right now, as you can see, market gave us some reversal pattern here, and as market is in the favor of falling down, I have taken this trade. So let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you the setup in detail. So let's wait. So it's a winning trade. Now let me explain you the setup in detail. So I took this trade. It's a simple reason. Market showing clear sign that market is falling. It's a downtrend. The downtrend is confirmed here. You can see this is the high, this is the low, lower high, lower low. The downtrend was confirmed here. Market again goes up. This is the retracement phase. It hit the strong resistance level which worked previously as the support, and we got a reversal pattern here also, and so we took the trade. So we took a trade because we were trading in the direction of the trend. Market was retracing, it hit the strong level, we got a candlestick confirmation, and we took the trade, and you can see it's falling down easily. So we have taken 3 trades in this trade in this session, and we have won them all. Now let me explain you one by one all of these trades. So the first trade which I took was on this candle. I took a 5-minute trade here. We won that trade. Now the reason why I took this trade here is simple. Market was consolidated here. This is the strong resistance. Market was getting constant rejection. So if market cannot go up, it needs to go down, because traders, when buyers are not in power, the sellers will take control, and that is what was happening here. I could have placed a trade here, but I didn't because of this recent support level. I waited for the breakout. Market break the recent support here with this strong confirmation. So I took the trade because it was consolidated. There is a breakout with a strong candle confirmation. So I took the trade here, and it was a winning trade. The second trade which I took was was here. So this is the swing low. This is when market previously was moving in the upward direction. You can see this was the low, this was the high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So this was the higher low swing, and this was very strong. This is a very strong level, because if market is able to break this level, then it means that the trend which was previously uptrend, now the market is saying that now the trend is changing, it is converting into the downtrend. And you can see with the formation of this candle, there is the confirmation. Suppose if you see the chart until this level, this was the high point, this was the low, lower high, and this was the lower low. You can also take this as the lower low. Suppose if you are currently trading and this is the chart that you are seeing, then you will see that this is higher than this candle, which means that this is the lower low, which means that the downtrend was confirmed here after getting a breakout. So the breakout and the confirmation of downtrend happened here, and that's why I took this trade here. And there was also a breakout from the, one second, okay, from the trend line. This was the breakout. So we got a horizontal level breakout, or you can say the swing low breakout, and we also got a trend line breakout, and the candle was very strong. So I took a 5-minute trade, but the sorry, the analysis behind this trade actually failed completely, because I was expecting that market after breaking this level will fall strongly, very strongly, but it didn't happen. Market goes down strongly, but it retraces back again, and we won this trade at the very last second. So this was a risky trade, and if you are taking trades like this, I will advise you, if you are not very confident, you cannot manage your emotion, then you will wait for the retracement. So this was the second setup. The third trade I took here, it was a simple setup. The downtrend was confirmed, there was a clear breakout, it was the retracement phase, and we got a good confirmation candle. So we took a trade in the direction of the trend with a candlestick confirmation after getting a breakout from the resistance level in the downward direction. So all these factors are suggesting one thing only, that the market will fall down. No factor was there was no confirmation or even a slightest signal that market can go up, because this is a strong level of resistance which was previously working as the support. This trend line was working as a support, which now is working as the resistance, because you can see the rejection. The wick shows the rejection, and this red bearish candle shows the confirmation that yes, the sellers are present, and we took the trade in the direction of the trend. So all these factors are in our favor, and you can see after that market actually fall strongly, which I was expecting here. So this was it about today's session. I hope that you have learned something new from this video, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.